So मम्मी
बोला 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 नहीं नहीं थके।
कैसा लग रहा है?
अभी तो बेटा स्टार्टिंग है, भगवान चढ़ा ले जाए।
ये मैं हूँ, ये मेरी बहन है और इसमें दिमाग बहुत कम है।
हाँ मैं ये तिरुपति है और ये हमारी चढ़ाई हो रही है। ये हमारी चढ़ाई और अब हमारी खिलाई हो रही है। Since the work is under construction there, हमको डाइवर्शन लेना पड़ रहा है और हमको जंगल के रास्ते चलना पड़ रहा है आगे। Okay, a quick review about Bhayankar Math in Tirumala. Generally, people are very much worried about the allotment of rooms, and actually, the first thing which people are worried about is darshan, and the second thing is about the rooms, the allotment. So, allotment of rooms, if people are not gonna depend upon CRO problems, and you got to stand in line for 3 hours and 4 hours kind of thing. But here we have a better choice. We can come to a math, and the math is Bhayankar Math. Like near to Bhayankar Math, also some 3 to 4 maths are there. But no, this is not paid and promoted. Again, I repeat, it's just that the rooms are really good. I would like to show you also, but let's start from the beginning. You get food here, you get dinner, lunch, breakfast. In breakfast, you get pohe. And if you're a North Indian, it's a win-win condition for you. Also, you're getting in Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam, in this 800 to 1000 range, you're getting a geyser inside, you're getting AC inside the room, and you're also in a thing like you're getting everything inside. A good bed, I'll show you because you use kiya hua hai, I've used it, so it's okay. Let's have a review about the room, and okay, here we go, and watch out the mud. अब झमेले में नहीं पढ़ना चाहते हैं CRO के, तो you can definitely come here and give a try and be here comfortably. Only one problem is कि ये पाप विनाशनी ब्रिज जो डैम है, वो जो पाप विनाशनी डैम ब्रिज के ऊपर से it takes quite a long time from the main thing. So even you can come in 150 rupees or 100 rupees jeep you'll get, or else you can try for you can't try for anything, or else you can do one thing is till Varaswamy guest house you can have the free bus service is not here, and you can do from Varaswamy guest house you can come till here by walk itself. It's like 700 to 800 meters or maybe more, 1 kilometer around you can walk. But if you are not like a person, if you're not a walkie-talkie person, please do take a jeep from there. It will cost you around 100 to 150. That's it. So we'll just review it, and you'll get pohe. In lunch you're getting puri, potato, and bottle guards veggie you're getting here, and with it you'll get rice and dal also, and in the night also you'll get dal and rice, also sambar sometimes, but not pretty sure what is the daily menu of it. Since 2 days I was here, so I tried on that part, and the food is good, the tea is good, and the rest place is also good. The rooms are also fine, so we can give a try. I hope I have made it clear. Like transportation, yeah, you have. It's little far away from the main Tirumala. Like you won't be very easily, reachable to temple. But yeah, it's not that far, but it's not that close to temple. That's it. Okay, thank you. Ground floor, we had a hall. There you can do marriages. Also, you can come here. People do here क्या बोलते हैं? People do here Bhagavad too. Bhagavad, I don't know if people know it or not, but mostly Hindus know it. So Bhagavad too, and here goes our gallery. And this is a room. Just now we have lift here, but we came by stairs because just now I ate food to just have a digestion or little bit of cardio kind of thing. So I just took the stairs, or else we have a lift here. And here goes the room. finally moving forward towards जापाली. हम पैदल जा रहे हैं एंड बहुत धूप है. मॉर्निंग दर्शन हमारे हो चुके हैं अराउंड 4 o'clock. तो सुप्रभात काइंड ऑफ दर्शन हो चुके हैं. सो इट वॉज रियली फन. क्या अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस है यार. मतलब जंगल में पैदल चलने का. इस साइड जंगल, इस साइड जंगल, इस साइड रोड, खूंखार रोड, वाइल्ड लाइफ एनिमल से भरी हुई रोड. मिकी कभी सोचा था अपन जंगल के बीचों बीच पैदल चलेंगे?
कभी नहीं सोचा मैंने.
डर लग रहा है?
बीच पैदल चलेंगे.
डर लग रहा है?
टाइम डर तो नहीं लग रहा.
फिर
थकान महसूस हो रही है.
थकान? तुम टायर्ड हो?
हाँ.
ओके. People, so a complete quick review about Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam in COVID-19 is literally you can come here, you can literally go for darshan too, but you got to be really patient. If you are lucky enough, you can get the tickets over the online reservation journey to Japali, which was fab indeed because we were walking all throughout and amidst the jungle region, and we were not lucky enough. We were not lucky enough to get through or even to have a see off with the wild animals. But anyways, it was written there, beware of wild animals. So we were a little bit worried and also somewhere nervous. Suppose if we get to encounter with those wild animals, what will be the current scenario then? But luckily we did not face anything. So it was a good trip indeed. And hi, bye, everything together. Giving a signing off here right now. And hope to come up with a new vlog very soon. Thank you.